Yo guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. I'm just giving you an update on our kale. Boy, don't they look fabulous. Don't they look fabulous? Do they not look natural? Hey, what, a pinch of wood a day keeps the doctor away? That's a true statement. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Look at the colors. Look at the natural colors in those leaves. I bet you don't see stuff like that, do you? No, you don't. You don't see things like that. Look at the edges of those leaves. See how natural they are? Do you see this growth? Now, when we purchased it from the nursery, these things were on their way out. Nobody's touching the ground. Nobody's putting anything into the ground. So what we'll always look for is the new growth. If we can say that new growth is doing good, and we see that the leaves start to repair and the natural colors start to come back into the leaves, that's what's so special to us. That's what we want to see. This is a very, very healthy plant. This plant is very, very healthy. And the variety of colors that it provides are almost as if it's not even real. Torpedopot is no joke. It grows your food, and you get to see things you've never seen before, and to enjoy and interact with your food like you've never been able to do before. Torpedopot is a game changer. It really is a game changer. This is absolutely stunning. This is beautiful. This is a bouquet of flowers. Absolutely stunning. Man, I'm looking at all the new growth. Again, your grounds are hard. A lot of you are not growing right now. Conditions are bad. Not with Torpedopot. Now, I need you to understand, this is not my first harvest. This is my third harvest in that same planter this year. A lot of you won't believe us, but go through the videos. In these planters, I've already grown 700 tomatoes in the same soil. I've grown celery that is about 3 feet tall in the backyard from these same planters. And now my year is coming to an end, and now I'm growing, guess what, kale in these same planters. And I had to change the feeding stick one time. One of my planters did not kick off right, and I had to change the feeding stick. But once I got the feeding stick set up, it took off. Okay, so with that being said, this is what can happen to you, all right? The same beauty that I have, that I come out and eat, it's the same thing you can have. You have what I have. Our planters are the same. It's no different. Now here's a problem here. The wind blew my planters over. I had them all on pretty stable surfaces, with the exception of those two. As you can see, it's not even leveled right. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to level it with the correct wood. So I got all this wood right here. So you think I can level all that right there? I'm going to do one piece of wood at a time. Love it. This is the life. This is the life I want for you. This pot has fell over right here, and they're still trying to survive and come alive. Isn't it amazing? That soil is so good. You see those new roots that are popping out there? You see that? The Torpedopot is no joke. Give it an opportunity and it will grow your food. I know these aren't the best conditions, and I get to take my babies and put them back in their planters, and they will. But I just want to show you some things that can happen. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.